Fun fact, this was actually my wedding dress. I bought it at Forever 21 and I got married in this. Hi everybody and welcome back to my channel. Welcome back. My name is Melissa. If you're new, hello. If you are already subscribed, thank you so much for watching and for returning to watch my content. But yeah, happy April, happy month of April. This month is actually the month of my birthday. I actually turned 27 this year. Whoa. Yeah, so welcome back to my channel and welcome back to a new series. So I am going to do another series. I'm not going to do a what I sewed for this month or what I'm going to sew for this month, because I want to dissect my wardrobe. I want to figure out what it is that I actually wear. Look at her judging me with one eyebrow. Look at her. So I have a lot of clothes that I'm going to go through and dissect and really see what it is that I wear, so that I can sew the patterns that and outfits that I will wear, because my style has changed a little bit since I was 19-20 years old, but it's generally just the same. I like t-shirts and leggings, t-shirts and shorts. I like to wear one piece, jumpsuits or rompers. And yeah, I don't want to make just things that look cute. I want to make things that I will actually wear. That's kind of where I am right now with my sewing journey. But yeah, so here we go. So I'm going to put in a pile the clothing that I wear and that I'm not sure of to keep or not. And then I'm going to put in a pile the clothes that I for sure know that I don't want to keep. This is my wedding dress. It was like $25 at Forever 21. And I'm just separating the clothing. Some items that I have made. These are like my one-of-a-kind El Salvador leggings. I wear them in the month of September. If you don't know El Salvador is a country in Central America. That is where my family is from. Yeah, here I'm just going through more and more stuff. My son kept coming in and out. I actually lost a whole hour worth of recording. I can't upload it to my computer. It's stuck on my phone. I have tried everything to try and upload it, and I have just... No. There was a whole other clip that I had of trying on my clothes and really seeing whether or not they were functional for me and the way that they made me feel. And I actually got rid of a lot more clothes. But I can't upload that recording, so be patient with me, you guys. With time, I hope that my content and my videos will be better. So this is round 1. And through the round 1 process, I just took out the clothes that I knew for sure I did not want to wear. With the round 2 process, I decided to start trying on the clothing that I hardly wear and I don't gravitate to all the time. But then I grabbed the basket and I was like, well, let me separate the clothes that I know for sure I wear, which is leggings, sweatpants, pajamas, stuff like that. I do wear more kind of like an athleisure type of look or a lazy look. So I went ahead and put all the clothes that I know I already wear. I put them away. There's a story behind this shirt, and maybe it's a story for another time. But it just started fitting me again. Maybe when it fits me the way that I want it to again, I'll tell you guys the story behind the fitness police shirt. So you guys just watched all the clothes that I went through, and I'm going to put pictures of something that I actually want to sew and make. So yeah, that's that's what I want to make. So on the next episode of this whole sewing journey, what am I gonna sew kind of videos, that is what I am going to show you guys. I already went to Savers. I purchased this blue, kind of like a thick jersey knit. It's like really thick, and it has some stretch to it, but not too much. But I think it'll be perfect for it. I do want to make it out of linen eventually, but I want to draft the pattern and kind of hack it to how I want it to look, because the side part has a really deep, and I actually want that. I am really excited to do this. So yeah, I hope you guys stay subscribed for one. I hope you guys are excited with me. I will see you guys on my next video, and thank you so much for subscribing. Thank you for liking my videos. Thank you guys so much. Like, we are almost at 500 subscribers. I am trying, guys. Le estoy echando ganas. Así que subscribe, you guys. Don't just watch me. Subscribe, okay? Okay, bye.